Hi guys, this is Leslie Fashionista. Gusto ko lang sana batiin sa kanyang special day ang aking kaibigan, ang aking lalabs. Lalabs Mel Lapitan, happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Enjoy life! Ayan. At sana magbanding ulit tayo araw ng day off. Namimiss ko na yung ating kulitan, ating selfie. So, ayan. At meron tayong mga kaibigan na gustong bumati sa iyong kaarawan. So tara, let's go. Pakinggan natin ang kanilang magagandang birthday greetings para sa iyo. Tara, let's go.
Hello everyone! At sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video na ito, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. And nandito na naman tayo ngayon para i-celebrate ang birthday ng isang ating kaibigan sa YT. Ayan. Happy birthday, Lalabs Mel, and wish you all the best of everything, away from sickness and good health parate. Thanks for everything, sa support at sa lahat-lahat sa friendship mo. Maraming salamat. Mag-iingat ka parati dyan, and I hope na magkikita rin tayo one day in person. So again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, and advance Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And sa iyo din, Lalabs Mel, advance Merry Christmas. I love you. Mwah!
Hello everyone sa mga nanonood at nandito sa premiere ng ating birthday celebrant na si Ma'am Mel Lapitan. Ayan. Ma'am Mel, thank you at isa ako sa mga napili mo na babati sa iyong espesyal na kaarawan. Ayan, happy birthday! You're not getting older, you're just leveling up. Eka nga nila is age doesn't matter, di ba? Ayan. Anyway, wishing you a day filled with love and laughter. May all your birthday wishes come true. You deserve all the happiness in the world. And may your year ahead be filled with peace, happiness, and wonderful adventures. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Again, happy birthday, and cheers to another year of you. Bye! Enjoy your day!
Hello everyone! Andito lang tayo para batiin ng may kaarawan ngayon. Isang kaibigan na nakilala ko lang sa YT. Pero isang taong mabait. Kaya nandito ako para batiin siya ng happy birthday, Sisi Koy Mel Lapitan. Enjoy your day, Sisi Koy. Stay healthy and young. Okay, hindi pa tayo nakikita pero nandito na ako sa Pinas. Antayin na lang kita sa Pinas, dito na tayo magkita. Okay? Enjoy your day, Sisikoy. Love you, Mama. Chop. Bye-bye. God bless you.
Thank you so much sa pagbibigay sa akin ng espasyo upang mabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan ngayong araw na ito, Ma'am Mel. Ayan, thank you so much sa pagiging mabait mong kaibigan, hindi lang dito sa YT world. Alam ko na kahit man sa personal ay very humble ka, Ma'am Mel Lapitan. Ayan, I wish you all the best at God bless you at sa buong family mo. And more power sa iyong channel. Happy birthday, Ma'am Mel Lapitan.
Happy birthday, classmate. Mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na ito. Pasensya ka na hindi ako makapagsalita ng mga ayos. Happy birthday. God bless always. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your day! Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you and happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Sa aking kaibigan at kapartner dito sa UIT, gusto ko siyang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan, masayang araw sa kanyang espesyal na araw at oras. Partner Mel Lapitan na sa Hong Kong. Maraming salamat sa friendship. At ilang taon na rin na magkakilala tayo, di ka pa rin nagbabago. Pakamasayahin mong tao. Kaya, sana maging masaya at maligaya ang araw mo. Enjoy mo lang yung buhay. Delight yourself in the Lord and the Lord will give you the desire of your heart. Mga prayers mo. Huwag kang magbabago ha. Yung kagandahan mo, hindi naman nagbabago yan. Yung kabaitan mo. Magkakilala tayo. Salamat sa samahan. Mapalad ako na mayroon akong kaibigan katulad mo. Pagpalain ka ng Diyos, partner, ikaw at ang iyong pamilya. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Kami ni Mrs. Kilala mo kami. Mahal ka namin. Dito ka lang sa aming puso bilang kaibigan. Thank you and God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
So, ayan guys, napakinggan natin ang kanilang mga magagandang birthday greetings para sa ating birthday girl, sa ating birthday celebrant, ang aking lalabs, Mel Lapitan. Thank you sa mga nagbigay, nagpaunlak, nagbigay ng video para sa kanyang kaarawan. At muli, ang aking pagbati, happy birthday! Enjoy lang tayo palagi. Lalabs Mel Lapitan, Mwah Chup Chup, love you! God bless! Bye!